Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment provides top-tier water heater diagnostics in Los Gatos, California 95032, using our expertise to identify and resolve issues like faulty thermostats, water leaks, corrosion, and gas-related problems. With experience handling tankless systems, combination boilers, traditional tanks, and hybrid models, we deliver precise diagnostics, preventative maintenance, and dependable repairs to ensure reliable hot water and customer satisfaction in Los Gatos and nearby areas such as San Jose. Are you looking for water heater diagnostics in Los Gatos, California? You can stop looking. You found Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment. What are the common signs that my water heater needs diagnostics in Los Gatos, California 95032? Inconsistent hot water, strange noises from the tank, visible leaks, corrosion, and fluctuating water pressure are clear signs your water heater may need diagnostics in Los Gatos, California 95032. Additional issues like discolored or foul-smelling water often point to underlying problems requiring prompt professional attention. Can a plumber in Los Gatos diagnose issues with both tank and tankless water heaters? Yes, our skilled plumbers in Los Gatos are equipped to diagnose and resolve issues with both tank and tankless water heaters. From traditional systems and hybrid models to modern tankless units, we efficiently identify problems and provide effective solutions. What is the service area of Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment? Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment provides services in various locations around Scotts Valley, including Bonny Doon, Rio Del Mar, Aptos, Boulder Creek, Chemeketa Park, Brookdale, Capitola, Soquel, Live Oak, Lomond, Seabright, Olympia, Mount Hermon, Laurel, Felton, and Santa Cruz. Where is Rosenthal Water Softeners and Treatment located in Los Gatos, California? We are located at 4736 Scotts Valley Drive Avenue Suite 50, Scotts Valley, California 95066. Our phone number is 831-292-5238. Visit our website at www.santacruzplumbingrepair.com/Scotts-Valley-Plumbing-Water-Heater-Repair.